Wait, don't do that because you're going to throw up what you just finished eating. What did you just finish eating?
Hey, how about some Goo Eyes?
What did you just finish eating?
Evil Goo Eyes.
Can you take the spoon out of your mouth, please? Tell me what you just finished eating. Freak. Stop. What did you just finish eating? Tell me what you just finished eating. What did you just finish eating? Chocolate. And what's that word? Vanilla. You had chocolate. Say it.
Hey, don't bite the table.
She's eating the leftover rice.
Oh. Sophie, give us some Goo Eyes. Oh, Sophie. Don't give us Goo Eyes while you're eating rice off the table.
Tell me what you just finished having.
Hey, Sophie, show me your vampire teeth.
So crazy. Crazy girl. Stop it. Make Goo Eyes. Is that ice cream that you just finished eating? You a little crazy? Tell me what you had.
Sophie, I want to see your vampire teeth. You're making Mommy laugh.
What is wrong with you? Are you going to throw up? Can you count your fingers? Why don't you try?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
How many on the other hand?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
You have 6 fingers on that hand? Wow.
I got
How high can you count to?
it.
Let's count together, starting at 1. Ready?
1,
2.
2, 3, 4.
What's after 4?
7 after 4.
5.
5.
7 is after 4, just not right after it.
6.
7.
8.
8.
You know the numbers. Tell me what's after 8.
8.
9.
9.
11.
11.
Oh, you know the numbers. What's red light mean?
Stop.
Green light.
Green light, go.
Yellow light.
Pink light.
Slow.
Slow.
Why are your fingers in your mouth?
I talk a lot of slow.
Hey, Sophie, I heard you say today that you're going to stop sucking your thumb. Is that true?
Look how dilated her eyes are.
Sugar stoner.
Yucky! You spit on me. No.
Hey, Sophie, say goodbye to the camera.
Goodbye!
Bye-bye.